So POWMR tear down. So this is the main board of the POWMR Hybrid Inverter. So this is the solar hybrid inverter specifically for 1600 watts 12 volts setup. So you can see the components are solid, and the quality build are good. So here's the PV connector. So the red and the black PV in. Also there's a screw. There's a transformer and inductor coils. Also the capacitors. Yeah, they're quite good build. Large capacitors, large heat sink. And here is the AC out, AC in. So the battery, the plus and the minus, the fan modules. So basically, and the MOSFETs are here. So quite good build by POWMR. Electronics. Yeah, I got this board through warranty. Okay. So I only pay the shipping, but you need to wait for 60 days to manufacture the board. So that's how long you need to wait if your POWMR hybrid inverter to claim the warranty. So I just filled up the form and provided videos and photos to claim for the warranty. So far, as assessed by the engineers, so the main board was broken. So that's why they need to manufacture another board for my setup. And 60 days later, they were able to send me this board. Okay. So I'm just showing you the board, the build, so that in doubt. So this is the POWMR 2 kilowatt tear down, the main motherboard setup. Before I'm going to install this, so there are only 4 boards, I mean. So this is the motherboard, and this is not broken, the controller board, I guess, because it has these ICs and the communication board. Okay, so let's install this through this casing. So I'm just going to reference this for the connection. Okay, and there goes there. Okay, so align the bolts, and that's it. You're ready to install. Okay, just very few, then install this board. Here. Lock it, then this one goes here, and just follow the instruction. Okay, this one goes here, but first I need to, oh, it's short. Short, why? So I need to extend this. It's fall short. And this one goes to PV. And the fans and the controller board goes here, the COM board. Okay. So that's how easy to replace the board of a inverter, but you need to lock it first. Okay. Secure the board on the case. Okay, just tighten all. So that's basically how, and I'm gonna video also for the first run of this board test on my next video. But for now, I'm just going to secure the connections, the connectivity. Okay, it fits well, very practical move, the same, identical